तू मुझे चाहे न चाहे ये तेरे बस में तो है, और मैं तुझको न चाहूं ये मेरे बस में नहीं।
Hantik or Bubbly, winner of Mrs. Diva of India Universe 2017 and Mrs. India Glamorous in Mrs. India Universe 2018. Today I spent a very wonderful and lovely time while shooting the very best bridal video organized by the entire team of Sanguine Senses. And makeup artist is the very talented Miss Tridisha Karita. She is one of the very upcoming young talented makeup artists. And entire photography was done by the entire team of Sanguine Senses. The members are Mr. Mrinal Saikia, Mr. Ishan and Mr. Nilam Kashyap. And I'm very thankful to the entire team of Sanguine Senses for selecting me as their model. I say my gratitude to the entire teams and thank you so much. And I just want to say they are the very best upcoming talented of the entire Northeast as well as the Assam. Thank you so much. Thank you.